In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a capture card in OBS Studio, and the best part is it's super easy and quick to do. If you're looking to integrate high-quality capture directly into your streaming or recording setup, this guide will help you achieve just that in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have OBS Studio downloaded and installed on your computer. If you haven't done so yet, you can head over to the official OBS website and grab the latest version. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source tool that's essential for anyone looking to stream or record their gameplay effectively. Once you've got it installed, launch the OBS Studio application. With OBS Studio open, direct your attention to the bottom section of the interface where you will see a few panels. You'll want to locate the one labeled Sources. This area is vital because it controls what your audience sees, so let's set it up to capture that crisp game footage. Next, you'll want to add a new source. Find the Add button within the Sources panel. It's usually represented by a plus sign, a universal symbol for adding things, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click that Add button. Doing so opens up a menu with various options for different types of sources you can add, such as images, audio, and more. For our purposes, we're focusing on video equipment. From this menu, select Video Capture Device. This option is what allows OBS to communicate with external devices like your capture card. If you're using a capture card to input video from consoles like a PlayStation, Xbox, or any other HDMI source, this is the step where it all starts coming together. A new window will pop up, prompting you to create or select a source. Here, you can name your capture device whatever you like. Naming it after your specific capture card can be useful for organization. Once you've named it, hit OK. You'll now see a settings menu for your video capture device. OBS should automatically detect available capture cards connected to your computer. In the Device drop-down menu, select your capture card. You may have various settings available depending on the capture card you're using, such as resolution, frame rate, and video format. Feel free to adjust these settings to match the desired output quality and performance that works best for your streaming or recording goals. And that's it. You've successfully set up your capture card within OBS Studio. You're ready to start recording or streaming, bringing your gameplay to life with high-quality visuals. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to share it with others who might benefit. Happy streaming, and enjoy your gaming.